Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. Even though I'm not celebrating in this paradise, I am recording a little bit sooner, but I thought what a beautiful place to have the white snow greetings. And regardless of where are you going to be celebrating this Christmas or New Year's, or both, I want to wish you prosperity, happiness. Let us all take this as new beginnings to restart our wellness habits and perhaps even start a meditation practice or something that really contributes to our well-being, happiness, health, and generosity for ourselves and others. Happy holiday season to you, whatever you are, and we'll be here for you for support, encouragement, and more wonderful, beautiful tips in 2022. Let me know what you would like more of, and we'll make it happen. Happy holidays. Ciao, ciao.